Alright, this is my first hard ride on the Can-Am, threw on the 33-inch Tarachi Aztecs, and it did awesome. Spun them much better than I expected. I thought I was going to need to do some gear swapping with the side-by-side to turn 33s. I don't think it's necessary in Florida riding. It tore through everything, never smelt the belt get hot, nothing like that. It could benefit from some clutch tuning when you're plowing through deep water kind of quick. It's not letting it hold a low enough gear long enough, so I'd like to put some lighter weights on it to keep it from upshifting so quick, but other than that, it did really well. Have a little more plastic trimming to do, some rubbing happening, nothing major. I'll make a video on where I had to trim in the next few days. Alright, test one with the 33 Aztecs and a passenger. It's already rubbing in the rear a little bit. We'll see if I have to trim it. But this is some sicky stuff right here. Let's see how it turns them. Pretty good, no belt slipping. Wow, that was impressive. Wow, impressive. I'm surprised you made it through that. Right there is where I broke a bunch of axles on my other Can-Ams. Oh, now we're in trouble. It means we're stuck. Stuck engage.
I'm needy.
Nice. A little bit more. Whoa, stop. Whoa. It did move a little bit, didn't it? It's got no problem turning them, and that's some pretty thick shit. I could use the winch, but I didn't bring...
Where is the winch?
It's right there, but I'm missing a hose for it, and it probably wouldn't reach over there. So I don't have my fair lead yet. I wasn't planning on using the winch today, but that's what happens. So I'm gonna wrap it around the bumper and kind of use the bumper as a fair lead so I don't tear up my brand new amp steel too much. All right, so I found a log here that is conveniently laying sideways. So let's put a bowline on it. Hopefully that'll be enough to get it out. Well, that's not gone well. Just ruined $100 of winch rope.
How did that even happen?
So without the fair lead, it was pulling against the sharp edge of the bumper, and it cut it pretty quick. What's really nice is that it broke right in the middle of my winch line, so the whole thing's dead to me. Yeah, very premium. Keep going. Keep going. What to... What?
Do not move.
What?
Give me the GoPro. I want to see the spider. It's so cool. Don't move. It's on your shoulder. Oh, I don't know what that thing is.
It was starting to go too. Okay, hop up. We got to sacrifice part of the machine to save the machine.
What does that mean?
You'll see. All right.
That should do.
Yeah, that'll do it. Keep going. Yep. Keep going. Whoa, okay.
Okay, well here's the knots. Go slow. Slow. Okay. Nope.
All right, I think it's out. That's why you get stuck in those spots. It just weighs it down with weeds so much. There's just no chance. Yeah, look, this has a little flap. So that means that's rubbing there too. So I'm gonna take my knife and go
It also handles a little funny with these big tires. The front's kind of floaty, especially with the passenger on the back. Definitely wasn't thought out for riding a passenger. Your passenger's ankles hit this hard angle right here constantly. I think if you're gonna ride a passenger a lot, you probably want to put one of those little steps. You bolt it here, make a little step. Riding in low range all day today because these tires are way too big to have on here in general, and it's not completely broken in yet. So the least I can do if we're to put it in low. All right, so low range felt great. Now we're gonna see what high range feels like on 33s. It's pretty hard pack here, so it should be a good spot. Also, the belt is now fully broken in.